let's go make our bathroom so we can finally get all that nastiness off us so we can finally shower. So before we do that, we need to rip off the old bathroom and rip in the new bathroom. That sounds so easy, but it's not. So let's go see what we need to do. Are you coming? Why is the door upstairs open again?
Because that's where we need to go to work.
Oh. Oh! Oh! Echo. Let's go! Baba!
So the ceiling is attached with nails currently. I don't know how they even got it wet. I think that might be from the steam and something. Or it could be from water leaking from the roof. Either way, that's not good. So we need to take it upwards, all the ceiling, and deassemble it upstairs so it doesn't fall down. Like we did our bedroom.
If you haven't seen the video.
Yeah, it was not that fun to deal with. So we want to just take it up and just...
Oh, there's a hole that we took off the
that's
fabric.
a small hole. And they put like regibs for heat resisting one.
Okay. So we take it up?
Take it up and deal with it.
Okay.
So, this is the situation we're dealing with here. Here is the bathroom ceiling. Look at the amount of insulation they put. That's it. That's the ceiling.
Nice.
Look how fat that is. That's like 20 millimeters, 10 millimeters. I mean, it's been sitting over years. Over years, the insulation decreases its size. This one, the glass one. But that's probably like 40 years old to get that small. I would say that pretty much holds no heat in the room.
Okay, so we need to take off the ceiling to put a new one. Well, not new one, we're gonna use the same wood.
So, from the old ceiling is all compressed, like, what is it, like sawdust wood, which is compressed into planks. We're gonna rip that all out, and we're gonna replace it with all these woods, because we don't need them up here. We're gonna replace them and put them onto the ceiling. And lack them and make them all nice and beautiful. So that's the job for today, and we're gonna insulate it, of course, as well. We have insulation specifically for the...
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
And now I can spy on you peeing.
It looks like I'm taking dick pics. I phone in my hand, but I want to take a picture of you.
What are you doing there? Ooh, you're peeing. If I come more to the other side, I can see your pee-pee. No, I can't. I'm joking.
I'm hiding it in my clothes and peeing through my trousers.
Very good. Say goodbye to that old poo-poo toilet.
Yeah, last time I peed in there.
Yeah. So as you can see, David is cleaning up the beams that we're gonna put back on, right?
Yeah. So we need to clean them up, put them back on, and then we need to figure out what woods we're putting on. And when we figure out what woods we're putting on, then we need to prepare these woods.
To clean them and lack them.
Clean them, probably gonna lack them when we put them onto the ceiling. Cause when you do holes in them, like you screw onto the woods, then you need to lack them again to cover the holes. but we're just gonna put them on, lock them twice like that.
Okay.
Maybe we do one lock around them, I'm not sure, or maybe we just do a lock from behind.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't.
So as you can hear, David is just doing the wood for the beams pretty much, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the sides before the woods go on, because you know they need a clean base for the woods to go on. So I'm gonna clean that while David is cutting the woods. Not cutting. I don't know what it is, sanding or cutting. I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna clean up that part.
So all the beams are nice and cleaned up. Cleaned all the surrounding on
Yep.
the walls. Place them back down. Now we just need to figure out what wood we're gonna put as the ceiling.
Also clean it
Clean it and cut it.
and lock it. No, screw it on and
Screw it
lock
on,
it.
then lock it.
Yep.
Then put waterproofing.
No, we can't. We need to do it tomorrow.
Oh yeah, no, tomorrow.
We need to wait 24 hours for the lock to dry. We need to look around us what woods we can use.
Yeah, and try them on, test it,
Yeah.
and see what fits and what needs to cut, and mark
Probably-
it all out.
Yeah, probably gonna cut them in half.
Yeah, to go half on this wood and half on
Yeah.
the other one.
Okay, let's do that. Let's have a ceiling today.
So that's how far we are. We're just aligning it like a puzzle to see what's gonna fit, right, Dissy?
Yeah. You have to play a lot of games on your phone of puzzling. You can do that one.
But this one includes also heavy lifting.
Yeah.
That's the only
And
thing.
like super mental, because we had this big one and we had to bring it all over, which didn't work because you know it was bigger than the place like that, so we could not bring it over, but we did it. So yeah. So far I think we're here good. We just need to find one for here. We got a skinny
And
one.
then fill up that whole
A
gap.
perfect wood needs to go here. And then probably this one and this one stay, so we need to find what we do here. Our our ceiling is done after 3 hours of nerve breaking situation. We came to I had the idea to just leave the gaps because we just cannot fill them in correctly, clearly. And here we just like gave up because of my idea, which was that we will leave the gaps and put lights, like LED strap lights where the holes are, to make even the ceiling brighter, because as you know we don't have a window in that room. So we have bright ceiling, bright floor, not floor, but bright everything around, so it makes bright. Good idea, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't know if we will do it, but we just gave up on, not really gave up, but we don't have any other option. So, but it's pretty much done, the part of puzzle. Now Dave needs to clean them, cut them correct size, go downstairs, screw them on, that's it.
Lock them.
Oh, lock them.
From up and down. And then wait 6 hours and lock them again.
You know what's up.
What's up?
No, that's what we need to do. Okay. Isn't that a cool idea of doing it? We didn't spend any money on that because that's what we already had. So we just did a ceiling out of no ceiling. Because it got way too late. It got like 10 o'clock by the time David finished all of those woods. So we have the next day. For you, it's probably not even a second. But we're gonna put them on the ceiling now. Fingers crossed everything works out fine. I have made a very good tower to put all of them by number. So this is number 1, and we will take it in. I think I can take it almost because I'm a big girl. Okay, this goes already. I'm gonna go and David will come, hopefully. Because I cannot do it always. Oh, backward. We have here some.
Does it fit actually?
That's the first.
It does fit, no problem. That's the long one, so.
Okay, it's up. So we're gonna put it like this. I'm gonna leave it, okay?
Okay. Should we do one and then show them how it looks?
Yeah, let's try to figure out first how we're gonna do it. Because I have no idea how we'll do it. Well, we forgot the most important part, which is we need to cut it. So that would need to go back all the way out because it's not cut on the correct size. So we need to do that struggle again and bring all the woods back to the cutting place. Cut them to a size. Fingers crossed we cut it correct because you know the room is not that precise. So we need to measure it pretty precise and cut it.